Tell me something good. What's up, people? It's been a while. You've seen a couple of recent videos we did on the flip house over here. We just want to give you a quick update on some things that are going on in the Clear Lake area. The flip house located on Seacliff. We're putting a back fence in on Saturday. We're done. That's going to go out for about 2:30. This is a completely remodeled house from top to bottom, flooring, carpet, bathroom, showers, the whole 9 yards. We think you'll like the color combinations that my wife and I were able to put together. Secondly, we have another house on that street going out within the week for about $175. We've got a house coming on in Brook, or actually it's on the market now in Brook Forest on Ledgestone, right? That's Amy Burns' first listing. She's going to be repping that. We've got a house in Glen Cove. Pictures are being taken today, I believe. It's on the canal. We'll be going out with that. That's going to be at $600. The one in Brook Forest is at $325. The two on Seacliff, one will be $230, one will be $175. So we just want to get you guys up to date on where we're at with everything. We're trying to bring you some more product in the area. We do have a couple more flip houses coming down the road. The other thing I want to put out there as we head into 2020, I want you investors to be thinking about other options to the stock market. Follow me? Other options to the stock market. At the end of the day, real estate is a physical asset. So around here, valuations aren't going high and they aren't going low. They might accrete 2 to 3% a year. So I want you to think about that. We're going to be putting some things together. Currently, we're doing hard money lending on some of these, cash on some of these, but there may be some opportunities for investors to get involved on some of these transactions. So anyways, reach out if you have any questions. It's been good catching up with you guys, and we'll have the pictures for the Seacliff homes next week. We'll have the house down in Glen Cove by tomorrow. So talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.